First, that markets will only remain free for as long as it is convenient for those in power for them to do so. And secondly, that authority and credibility are not the same thing. Now, those conclusions are particularly important living as we do in a world in which the monetary authorities have flooded the markets with something like $15 trillion worth of stimulus, where they've imposed themselves on virtually every market and every asset class in the world one way or another. And in particular, this year, in a world in which we've started to see a response to that repression, a sort of monetary rebellion, if you want to think about it like that, in the form of cryptocurrencies. And we'll talk about all of those things today, or at least our speakers will. And it's a lineup of speakers that I'm delighted to introduce to you. You'll find that they'll all come at our theme from different angles. Not everyone's views will mesh neatly together. That's a running complaint that some readers have, that not all of our analysts agree with each other. Well, they're not supposed to agree with each other, because I think that would be probably a sign that they weren't thinking things through independently. So frankly, you're unlikely to agree 100% with everything that you hear today, and I wouldn't expect you to anyway. At Southbank Investment Research, and as publisher of that business, I see it as our mission to present you really with three things: alternative ideas, critical thinking, and outside of the mainstream analysis. That's because those ideas, when they're correct, tend to be the most valuable for private investors. So our goal today, and in everything that we publish, is not to be safe, and it's not to sit on the fence. It's to make you think. It's to introduce you to new ideas, and to show you how those ideas could make you a better investor.